Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve this algebraic equation x to the power 3 is equal to 36. Or consider this x to the power 3 as a. So we can write x to the power this as a. So a is equal to right side, this is 36. Here this x to the power 3, this is a. Or now taking cube to the both side, we can write x to the power a, this left side, and whole cube is equal to right side is 36 cube. Or now applying this exponential formula, a to the power m whole to the power n, that can be written as a to the power m times n, and again we can write this as a to the power n whole to the power m. So a to the power m whole to the power n, this can be written as a to the power n whole to the power n. So applying this, we can write this as x to the power this 3 and whole to the power this a is equal to 36. This is 6 square is 36 and this cube. Or we have x cube is equal to a. So substituting this x cube as a, we can write this as a to the power a is equal to, again applying this formula, a to the power m whole to the power n, we can write it as a to the power m times n. That means we can write right side as 6 to the power this 2 times 3. So 2 times 3. Or left side a to the power a is equal to this 6 and power is 2 times 3, this is 6. Now applying this, when a to the power a is equal to b to the power b, then we can write a is equal to b. So applying this, a to the power a is equal to, consider this 6 as b, b to the power b, so then a is equal to b. That means a is equal to this 6. Now substituting this a is equal to x cube, we will get left side x cube is equal to right side is 6. Now taking cube root to both side, we will get the value of x is equal to cube root of this right side 6, and this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.